Come test drive the 2020 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, power moonroof, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control. Come see the car for yourself.
With Honda Certified Pre-Owned Vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda Certified program is worth looking into.